Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. I'm going to show you how you can add your Amazon wish list on TikTok. So let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is to go to my TikTok account and just go to the three lines at the top, and you need to go and set your account as a business account. Click on account. Just click this personal account and then switch anyway. Then as you can see, you can switch to business account and just click next. Then I'm going to select education and training, then click on next. Let's go to Amazon and go to my wish list. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to click on invite and then view only. Tap on the cap link. Go back to TikTok. I'm going to edit my profile, and then as you can see, there's a website there if you want to add a website. And I'm going to tap paste my link from Amazon wishlist. There it is. My Amazon wishlist is already on my TikTok account. You can see that on my profile, it has linked my Amazon wishlist. It's really easy and simple. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!